Sure. What's up, guys? Your boy's back. I told you I was coming back, and here I am. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a really good protein iced coffee. If you're like me and you love coffee, and you also want to hit your protein intake every day, then this is the recipe for you. I've seen a lot of recipes online. I've taken inspiration from some, and I've put my own little twist on it. Hopefully, if you try it, you enjoy it, and you could always add or take out whatever you want. But first, we have to get our ingredients out. Obviously, our protein powder. This is the Levels protein. This is the peanut butter chocolate. Preferably, I would like to use vanilla, or maybe cinnamon vanilla or something like that. But this is what I have on hand. But I would advise you to use like vanilla or something. It's got a more neutral taste. No matter what you do, it's gonna taste good. So honestly, I'm not even a mocha guy, but this is gonna be good. Trust me. Next, we got Fairlife milk. This is very good milk. It's high in protein and it's lower calorie than normal milk. 1 cup is 120 calories and you get like 13 grams of protein. That's crazy. Fairlife, if you're trying to sponsor me, please, I would love to get sponsored. You need your coffee. Cafe Bustelo is what I use, but you can just use iced Nescafe or Nescafe in general. For me personally, I don't mess with Nescafe. You're gonna need your shaker cup. Shout out to Majin Vegeta, he let me borrow his cup. And we're not using a blender today. This is a no blender recipe. You don't need a blender for this. This is simple. You can do it in like 10 minutes. You can do it for breakfast. You can do it after your workout. You can do it before your workout. Whatever you want. So now we have everything. Let's get to work. First, we're gonna open the cup. Open this boy up. Hey, I'm making rhymes, bro. If we could open this, it'd be really nice. Ooh, did you hear that? Just got this today. Put that in there for now. Okay, now, you can add as much coffee as you want. Me, personally, I like it a little stronger than most people. So I like to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons. And it's 0 calories, this one, so it doesn't matter how much you add, unless you want to shit yourself. And 3. Next, we're gonna add the cup of Fairlife milk. You can measure it, but honestly, I just like to eye it down. Unless you're counting calories, then I would just eye it. It doesn't have to be a cup, because you want it to be tasting good too, which is important. And then we're gonna add some protein. Shut the fuck up! I'm sick of that shit. Okay, now we're gonna add some protein. So, I would not recommend double scooping if it's peanut butter chocolate, because it's gonna be really peanut butter chocolate heavy. But if you want to double scoop the vanilla, that sounds like a good idea. Now you close this boy up and then you shake it. Shake that baby up. Shake it good. You want it nice and thick. Pause. Not thick like a smoothie bowl or like your neighbor, but you want it thick as in like a lot of air in there, You'll know what I mean. Hopefully, it's good. It's thick enough. Almost the perfect amount.
Let's go! Let's go! We got you! Let's go!
Now that is a good cup of coffee. 24 plus 13. 37 grams of protein in just this cup. Maybe more, because I didn't measure the cup. But this is a good recipe, guys. I hope you try it at home and I hope you like it. Again, you could blend it if you want. You could switch out the protein powder for something you like more, something more neutral. You can switch out the milk if you want. And you could even use different kind of instant coffee. But instant coffee is good because it's so easy to use. You don't have to add water to the protein shake if you don't like that. You can just add it straight into the milk, which is awesome. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think if you try it, and cheers.
You think you're the drink, bitch? You're not even the cup. This nigga got a middle pump with a low taper. This nigga's the drink. This nigga's the
liquidity. He can't be a solid. Niggas call me the drink.
They call him the what?
When I was a kid, niggas call me the juice box.